Okay, so today we're going to do an apple. We're going to start off with a sphere this time. So A to select everything, X to delete, and Shift A, mesh, and we're just going to use a UV sphere. Okay, so this is going to be our apple. We're just going to go into our X view right here, GZ, to make sure it's level on the plane. I'm just going to right click and choose Shade Smooth, so it makes it smooth. Tab into edit mode. We're going to select this little vertex on the top here. Make sure that you're in vertex mode, which is up here, or number 1 on the keyboard. We're going to press this. This little thing is called proportional editing mode. It basically allows us to grab one point and affect a whole bunch of other points with it. So one point there, we're going to move our mouse over here, press G to move downwards, and Z. Going to scroll in with our middle mouse button to make sure that the selection is a little bit smaller, and we're just going to pull inwards like that. That might be a bit too much, so I'm going to undo that. GZ and just a little bit there. Okay, I'm going to go out of proportional editing mode. Out of that mode, and then hold down Control plus, which will select this, and go into our polygon mode. We're just going to go I for inset. Just going to inset it down a little bit, like that. And then we're just going to go E for extrude on the Z-axis. Up, S to scale. And there you go, that's your apple right there. Pretty easy.